welcome back. I'm Miriam. So today I have an Empties video for you. I'm kind of excited about this one because I've been switching from my old products that I've been using to new natural products from Young Living, and I also ordered some from Vitacost as well. So anyway, I'll just get started. So anyway, first of all is laundry stuff. I used up, and I'm not going to compare brands and stuff, but I used up some Pods laundry detergent. I also used up my big, huge Costco sized laundry detergent, liquid laundry detergent. This took a long time. I bought this when last fall. I bought this last fall and used it probably from October until just last month or so, and now I've been using Young Living, so I'm excited about just switching over to a more natural laundry detergent. So yeah, and the Young Living one is working really good. The other thing I've been doing is I used up Shout. So I used up Shout, and I do still have a squirt bottle of this. To be honest, I don't think Shout is really working to get the stains out the way I would like them to. But anyway, it removes some stains, like they're really not set in, but I will not be repurchasing Shout again. Okay, now on to some, let's talk about lotions. So I've been really excited about changing to Young Living lotion. I got the Kid Sense lotion for my girls. I've tried it a couple times for myself. I love it. I'm looking forward to ordering some lavender lotion and stuff. But anyway, I needed to first use up my old lotions. So I had some sample size and a little larger size one here. So yeah, I used those up. Next is some supplements. So first, from Vitacost, I talked about this in my last Vitacost haul that I didn't like this vitamin K because it had caramel coloring in it. So I got a different vitamin K this time. You can check out my last Vitacost haul. I'll link it down below. And anyway, this is the old one I used up. I also used up this Light Show. This is an electrolyte like drops that you add in your water. It has magnesium, sodium, zinc, chloride, potassium, and sulfate in it. Anyway, my mother left this here, so I don't know if I'd be repurchasing it, but anyway, I use this. I would put a little squirt of this in my water every morning along with lemon essential oil. And yeah, it just helps rehydrate me after a long night's sleep. So I use that up. Now for supplements. So first, Life 9. I love Life 9. This is a probiotic supplement from Young Living. This is really good. I also like that it's shelf stable before you open it, and then you only have to put it in the refrigerator after you open it. And that's just to prolong its life. So anyway, I liked using this one. Another one that I thought was super good for my mood and for my energy levels is Super B. This is like a B complex vitamin, but also has like calcium and magnesium in there, and zinc and selenium and manganese. So yeah, that one. This one I'm definitely repurchasing. You can see my Young Living haul coming up soon, and I think I have one or two. I think I have one of these. I meant to order two, but anyway. The Kid Sense Mighty Bites. This is a multivitamin for kids. My kids love little animal-shaped vitamins. If Young Living put this in an animal shape, they would love it too. Even better. But anyway, they do like this one. I like that it has natural occurring folate in there, and it just helps cover the bases, especially for one of my girls who does not like eating her veg. Yeah. And that's it with supplements. So the last thing I'm going to share is the oils I used up in this spring. So all these empties are from this spring. I have lemon essential oil. This is the big bottle, as I call it, 50 milliliter bottle. And then I have a 5 milliliter bottle of peppermint that I used up. So yeah, I love my oils. I didn't use that much oils. I mean, I've used quite a bit, but these are like empty. So I wanted to share one more thing to do with your empty bottles. When you're ready to clean them out, there's usually like a few drops still left in. In fact, the drop reducer won't even let the last little bits drop out. So I made a cleaning spray and I put the last little bit of this. I took the drop reducer off of the bottle and I just poured the last few drops out. There was probably about 5 drops that came out that would not come out with the drop reducer. So it's not that much, but it's like enough that you could probably take off the drop reducer and dump it into your diffuser. Mine's right back there. But the other thing is you can do is put it with some Epsom salts in a jar. If you can see, I have some bottles in there. So yeah, and then you can use the Epsom salt. So I don't take baths, but I've been putting a little bit, I'm plugging up our bathtub shower, and then when I take a shower, I put just a little bit in here. And so my feet are soaking in the water, in the Epsom salt water while I'm taking a shower, and it makes, you know, the bathroom smell really good. And so that's how I've been using this. I would be careful using it in your kids' bath water, even though it's really nice. But you shouldn't put it in baby's bath water because of them like splashing and getting it in their eyes. You don't want essential oils in the eyes. And then if you put it in your kids' bath water, again, you want to make sure that they're not splashing in their eyes. And you should never use like a hot oil, like peppermint in there. You shouldn't use a hot like peppermint oil in the kids' bath water, just in case. You want a gentle oil like lavender. Besides, you want, you know, your kids to calm down with their bath, especially if it's at night. So anyway, those are my spring empties. I hope you enjoy this video. I plan on doing an empties video every season. So at the end of the summer, I will be doing another empties video. I really think that it's mostly going to be Young Living products because I'm almost all switched out now. I'm using some different, let's see, I'm not using Young Living in the shower yet for me, like for shampoos or body wash, but for my kids I am, and now I'm using Young Living lotion for myself, and I'm using Young Living in pretty much all my cleaning products now. So anyway, I'm planning to share my empties so you can kind of see how long they last. Oh, and one other thing that I did use up was my first bottle of dish soap, my Thieves dish soap. But I'm not showing it to you right now because I ordered a second bottle, and what I do is I'm putting a little bit of the dish soap in the bottom and filling the rest of the way up with water. So because I'm doing that, it's not technically empty right now. It's being half full at my sink. But anyway, I did use up my first bottle of that. And so, yeah. What kind of products do you like using? And are you frugal when you come to using products like me? Or do you tend to use a whole lot more? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.